Ms. Miller. I'm Laura Diaz with NetSuite.
Hello, nice to meet you. Go ahead and take a seat.
Thank you.
How are you doing today?
Great, thanks. How are you?
Great, thanks.
I really appreciate this opportunity to talk to you. I'm really excited. Did you see the UCF game this weekend?
Actually, I did. Yeah, my boyfriend dragged me to it, so.
Dragged you? Not
Yeah.
a big football fan?
Not too much,
Me
but.
neither.
That's great.
Well, you do what you can. My boyfriend dragged me to it as well.
Exactly.
So.
I'm surprised I didn't see you there then.
Well, it's kind of hard to see anybody. But,
Right.
Well, I'm really excited that Mike hooked us up to talk about this today.
Definitely. Me too.
Well, I am going to let you know I'm here to present an opportunity for you to make the most out of your customer relationship management
Great.
with this company. Do you mind if I take a few notes?
Definitely not. Go ahead and feel free.
All right. I have a couple of questions for you.
Okay.
Mike told me a lot about Kaleidoscope. I realize that you guys are expanding very quickly, but I wanted really to find out from you what's going on. So
Okay.
Where do you see yourself in the next few years?
Well, currently we just expanded to Nashville, and by next year we want to open a store also in LA too. So after we see how that goes, we would like to open a few more stores after those two.
Okay, before I get into the product at all, is there anyone else who needs to be here?
No,
Okay.
for the decision making or anything?
Just to hear my presentation to make any decisions.
Oh no, I'm the owner and CEO, so it's no big deal.
All right,
So
awesome.
I'll let him know what's up.
Okay. So you're looking to open a lot more offices. That's
Right.
awesome. What are you currently using for CRM?
Currently we're just using like Outlook, and it links with the PDAs and stuff. Everyone has a PDA, so I really like that aspect of it.
Okay.
So that's
Now,
what we're doing.
is the Outlook working for you? Or
Yeah, it is, because it at least lets them get their emails on time and lets them get organized whether they're on the road or not. But I do want I was looking for something to, keep a closer eye on everyone with.
you have to keep a closer eye on everyone?
Right.
The employees and customers, or?
More or less the employees, like their production, and then also like maintaining the client's business and making sure that it's up to date and everything.
Okay. Now, do you think that Outlook is a plausible solution with as quickly as you're expanding, or are you looking for something else?
I actually have been researching a few things, like a few different CRM services, because I do want to I've heard that they like help you link everything together. So with all the different offices, and we do have a large client base, like our clients are larger, so I would like some in Orlando and then LA, we might have the same clients and stuff, so I kind of want to link everything together. So I have heard a little bit about, I researched a little bit on CRM services.
Okay. So have you seen anything that you've really liked, or are you still?
No, I've just basically like Googled it and not really looked at anything specifically, but I hear that they're pretty hard to learn.
Okay.
So.
All right. So what you're saying is that you want to keep a close eye on your employees more than Outlook is allowing you to right now. That linking whatever CRM system you're using is to your PDA is very important.
Right.
And that you have a lot of clients and you need to keep that managed.
Right.
Okay. Well, I'd like to share with you right now the 6 major features of NetSuite CRM Plus.
Perfect.
If you take a look here, we have order management. How much time are you spending right now taking care of paperwork?
A lot. That's why I feel like my employees have a lot of downtime, because they have to keep coming back to the office to fill out a lot of paperwork.
Okay. Well, with all of these 6 features, it's going to cut your paperwork by about 75% is my prediction if you aren't using any CRM system right now.
Wow.
Order management minimizes paperwork, and it guarantees on-time delivery,
Okay.
which you know more than anybody else that on-time delivery is a huge way to build loyalty with your customers. And the way that this order management works is that it can turn your prospects into customers and your quotes into orders with just the click of a button. Which
Wow.
you mentioned that things seem complicated and hard to use. This is very simple.
Okay.
Now another huge benefit is incentive management. It has an automatic commission tracking system. You said you're looking for a way to keep a good eye on your employees. Instead of having them calculating their own commissions and turning it into you and you having to look at it to make sure that nobody cut any corners, this automatically takes care of your commission. There are no spreadsheets anymore. You're saving all that time to build a relationship with customers. It's simple and it's accurate, and it works with your commission structure, which is something that none of our competitors are currently offering. You said you had looked at a few other CRM systems. All the other competitors expect you to adapt to their structure of commission.
Great, yeah, because we've worked pretty hard to develop it, so.
Yeah. Project tracking is another thing. You're telling me, let's cut paperwork, let's cut time. It gives you real-time visibility. This is another way of keeping track of your employees. You and all the people on their team can have real-time access to whatever's going on with that project. It has all the project data in one system, which can be linked to everyone's PDA.
Awesome.
And it makes adjustments as needed. You don't have to do things manually.
Okay.
The Complete Customer Portal is another thing. It's a cost-effective self-service, essentially. I did take a look at your website before I came in here today. It's fantastic. We can link our CRM Plus system with your website so that customers can post their service orders, change things, talk about their issues, and there's no staff that needs to be here in the middle of the night to take care of that.
Okay, wow, great.
Yeah. Another thing is the website and the analytics. We have an online product catalog that we can make available for your clients. It's personalized. You can either do it to a target market or your individual customers. If, like Mike, for example, at the Gaylord Palms, you could target it just for him at the Gaylord Palms or for all of the hotels at the Orlando area. It also has intranet capabilities. Again, this refers back to you saying that you want to keep an eye on your employees. It allows you to tailor your publications or any kind of messages that you need to send out to specific departments, as well as you can look into what specific departments are doing, which, I mean, from what you're telling me, that's something that's important to you.
Right, so I can actually see their productivity instead of just sitting back and hoping it's happening.
Exactly.
Great.
And it's always, like I said, real time is what it's all in, so you're not going to have to wait for them to send you a spreadsheet. And the last thing is partner management. I know, and I heard from Mike, and I've seen a little bit from what I know of your company, that you guys are very into the team atmosphere. Well, this is the first and only CRM system that allows you to manage your partners in the system. It allows joint lead management, which you're going to have access to naturally, and it also takes care of partner commissions and royalties, another thing that you're not going to have to look over so carefully, so that you can spend your time on building relationships and taking care of your customers. Do you have any questions?
So, basically, instead of having to do all the double checking, it goes ahead and does it all for me?
Absolutely.
Okay, great.
Now, I do have a subscription available for your Orlando office if you want to take advantage of that today. We will be more than happy to expand to your Tennessee and LA offices as well if you decide that this is something that's going to work for you.
Okay. Actually, I really have to run. I just remember that I have a meeting with Royal Caribbean because we're trying to get into the cruise line industry too. So I actually have to run and grab that meeting real quick.
Okay, well, I have this information for you. If you want to give me a call, we can set up the free trial when you're available this week or next week. And you don't have to make a commitment right away, but we do have the free trial, and then after that, we can discuss whether or not you want to expand.
Okay, great. So I can actually do a trial. I don't have to commit completely right now?
You don't have to commit completely right now. You can do a trial. So did you want to go ahead and make an appointment for next week so we can do the installation?
Yeah, definitely. We actually have a company meeting coming up next week. If you want to go ahead and stop by and drop it off then, I'm already going to be in the office and everything.
Okay, that would be wonderful. If you would just sign here for me.
And this is for the trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
And here's my business card. If you need anything between now and then, just give me a call.
Thank you so much
for
all of your help.
You're very welcome. Take care.
Thanks. And tell Mike I said hi.
I will.